Welcome to today's quick tutorial. In just 1 minute, you'll discover how to effortlessly split or trim a video without re-encoding and without losing any video quality. Let's dive right in. Here, I have one of my videos, a 1-hour-long compilation that I'm going to use for the demonstration. Let's see how to split this video file using LosslessCut. First, download and install LosslessCut. LosslessCut is a free program, and you can grab it from GitHub. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. I'm using Windows. After you download the program, unzip the folder and start the executable file. Then simply drag the video into the LosslessCut window to load the video. Now, go to the menu called Segments. From there, choose the option Create Num Segments. Here, you will enter the number 2 to divide the video into 2 equal parts. As you can see in the timeline below, 3 equal parts have been created. Now, press the Export button. In the settings window, you can set what to export. Keep the standard settings and press the Export button again. Now, wait for a few seconds. Congrats! You have split the video without re-encoding and without losing any quality. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.